Hey guys, it's Marshall from Going Gear, and today we're going to take a look at a new light from Sunwayman, the V20C. It's a pretty cool light, and something that's extra cool is that it actually comes with a free light, so you get a little AAA light. Don't know how long that's going to last, but for now it does come with a free little AAA light, and I'll show you that one here in just a minute. But you can see you have all the standard warranty information, instruction manual, all that kind of stuff inside the packaging. Here's the holster, which I'll show you a little bit better in a minute. Spare O-rings, those are for the little guy. Lanyard, spare O-rings for the V20C. So there's the V20C. Here's the little one, the R01A. I'll show you the holster real quick. This is actually a lot nicer than the holsters you see from companies these days. A lot of times the free holsters are kind of flimsy. This one's pretty beefy and sturdy. They did a really good job on it. The light just slides in. You can put it in either head first or tail first, whatever you prefer. And then you've got this pretty substantial amount of Velcro on there to hold the flap in place. On the back, you have some more Velcro. You can attach it either through that. You've got a belt loop there. Another attachment point here, so you can attach it to your pack or belt, however you want to attach it. Let's pull the light out. Set the holster to the side. And real quick, I will show you this little guy. It's a AAA light, just has simple 5mm LED down in there, but we'll put a AAA in there. Go ahead and show you how it works. That's pretty much it, on and off. Not a very complicated light, but hey, it's free with the V20C, which is pretty cool. So that is the R01A that you get with the V20C. Again, for now. I'm not sure how long they plan on doing that, but for now you get it. So here is the V20C. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Here you can see inside the light. It's powered by either an 18650 or two CR123s, but I like to use 18650s whenever I can get away with it. So that is what we are going to use right now. Get the tail cap back on and turn it off. You've got the anti-roll ring here, or the combat grip ring, however you want to use it, so you can see when you have it on a flat surface it'll keep it from rolling around. And then also, if you want to use this as a kind of a tactical light, you do have that option because you have that kind of grip. And then you can take that off if you want to, if you don't like it on there, if it gets in the way. It does just screw right off. You just take the tail cap off, take the O-ring that's in the way off, and then it screws right off. The light up here will show you the reflector and LED and everything. That's that Cree XML LED, relatively large LED compared to the XPG that's in a lot of lights these days, but it puts out a whole ton of light and creates a nice wide hotspot that lights up a wide area once. Not going to get as much throw out of a light like this as you will a similar light this size with the XPG, but it will still go a pretty solid distance. I'll show you that better outside. This ring right here is how you adjust the outputs. Similar to a lot of the other V-series the Sunwayman has been doing lately, but we'll show you how that works a little bit better. So switch on the back, lightly press it, you can see you get the momentary, click it all the way for constant on, and then as you turn it you get your different outputs. Not a whole lot of room you have to work with in there, which is kind of nice. A lot of them you have to turn pretty far to get to the different outputs. This one is just a little bit of a turn to get to all your different outputs. So all the way over to the left is going to be your minimum output, and then you'll have a little detent where your max output is, and then go past that, and that's when you get into the strobe. So you can see you can quickly get to all the different outputs and then strobe. And then of course whatever you leave it in, that ring is what's controlling your output, so as long as you're just hitting the switch in the back, it's not going to change modes on you at all. You can set it to what you want, leave the ring alone, and you're good to go. The ring is pretty easy to turn, but it's not so easy that it's just going to turn on its own. You're not going to have it in the holster or anything like that, unless it gets caught on something, in your pants or your pack or something like that. The ring, just by moving it around or shaking it or anything like that, it's not going to move on its own. It is easy to move, but not that easy. So that's the operation and the function and everything of the light. Let's show you the light a little bit up close. One thing I really like about Sunwayman is you can see, I love their styling. They make some really cool looking lights. Great anodizing, great machining on everything. You never see any flaws in their stuff. All their stuff is always done really top notch. And they do something that a lot of manufacturers are moving to. They put their logo on the tail cap, which is pretty cool. Doesn't really have a lot of function, but it looks nice. So there you go. That's the Sunwayman V20C. Let's take this outside. We'll see how it does outside. Okay, here's the Sunwayman V20C outside. Got the big 40 mag light I always use to compare it to. Let's try that mag light out first. There's a little bush, 15 feet. Tree out there at 100 feet. Alright, let's try out that V20C now. Obviously a whole lot more light coming out of the V20C. That's what lithium batteries and that XML LED will get you. Zoom in on the tree so you can see. Whole tree's lit up really, really well. Everything around it's lit up really, really well. We'll use the ring if I can quit knocking into my camera. Been doing that a whole heck of a lot tonight. Need to quit doing that. But we'll cycle through, let you just see the different outputs. And then obviously, yeah, the strobe as well. Shine it around a little bit. So that's how it does with the more of the short to medium distances. Let's go ahead and try it out at longer distances. Okay, we got a longer distance now for the V20C. Here's the mag light. My house at 50 yards. Tree in the front yard at 100 yards. Can't really see the tree. Can pretty much see the house. See it okay. Alright, let's try out the V20C. This is max output. You can see 50 yards, absolutely no problem. Lights up the house extremely well. And then over 100 yards away, top of that tree, still lit up, no problem at all. So shine it around a little bit, just so you can see how it does. Different colors and distances and stuff. Alright, so there you go. That is the Sunwayman V20C. If you like it, you can get it from us at goinggear.com. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe. We put out a lot of flashlight videos. And if you have any questions or comments, you can reach us in the comments or at goinggear.com.